So first thing that I want to show you is clamshell exercise. So clamshell exercise is good for your glute max, okay, glute med and glute mean. So I'm gonna have you lie on your side, okay, and then keep your feet together and open as wide as you can and slowly lower down. When you do this one, you gotta be careful not to roll your back backwards just like this. So in order to prevent that, you have to block your hip and open as wide as you can and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, and then slowly lower down. Let's try to do this 3 sets of 10. Pretty easy, but you will feel the muscles are working on this side right here. The bench. Next exercise is sit to stand. How easy is that? As long as you have a chair, okay, you can do this exercise super easy. So try to keep your back of your thighs, back of your calves or knees touching the chair. And we're gonna sit down and up. Sit down and up and squeeze your buttock. Sit down and up. Sit down and up. When you do this one, I try to keep my both knees touching the chair. That way we are really focusing on your glute max muscles here instead of quads. Okay, this one more your front thigh, this one is your glutes, and I want to focus on your glutes for this exercise. We call it long arc quad. So sit on the bench or chair, all you have to do is kick and make your thigh muscle contracted here and contract your thigh as you keep your knee straight, just like this. Go up slowly and squeeze and slowly lower down. We're gonna do this one 50 times in a row. Okay, after finishing 50 times, you'll feel good burns on your thigh. Bridging exercise is really good for your glute max on your buttock here. So I'm gonna have you just lie on your back and bring your heel pretty close to your buttock so that when you bring your hip up in the air, just like this, you are gonna feel your buttock muscles contracted, okay? But if your feet are far away, you're gonna feel a lot on your thighs. Then this is not right, okay? So bring your hip pretty close to your buttock, up and down, up and down. If you want to feel even more core muscles at the same time, then you can cross your arms. So next exercise for your hip stretching is performance stretch. So lie on your back, okay? Put your lower leg on top of the other thigh, and you hold your knee and you hold your lower leg both at the same time, and bring your knee toward the opposite side of the shoulder. And hold right there. You're gonna feel this part of your buttock being stretched. But something that I don't want to feel is pinching feeling in your groin area. Okay, if you feel that way, that means you're kind of pinching your hip joint. In that case, we have to change the angle a little bit to the side here. And then if you don't feel that way, please do that way, or you can just bring a little higher and do that way. Sometimes you can actually twist your knee if you just bring your both hands grabbing your lower leg. So that's why I'm covering my knee, so they're protecting my knee and then leg at the same time. Then you'll feel less on your knee, any knee pressure. Next exercise is for your hip flexors. Okay, many people have hip flexor tightness after sitting for a long time or squatting all day long doing something on the ground. So all you have to do is just lie on a table or bench, right? And then drop one leg to the side, hang there. But when you do this one, you can see that my back is kind of arching. You can give a little back pain. So what I'm gonna have you do is bring the opposite side thigh up closer to your body, just like that. All right. Then you're not arching your lower back. You're just hanging like this for a couple minutes, and you start to feel good stretching on in front of your thigh, right there. Okay, this is it. So these are the basic exercises good for your hip health. So please do them. And if you have any pain, modification necessary, do a little less reps and sets. Listen to your body. If you have a little bit of pain, a little modification is required. Thank you. Bye.